In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent. Tap on this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those settings however you wish to. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then set as Live Wallpaper. Yes. Tap on Apply at the bottom right corner and decide where. Then close Magic Fluids app, and as you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!